cuckoo bird. He's gonna cuckoo bird your hands. You see that puppy dog?
What are we doing? Oh, he's more interested in the phone, just like Dad.
I need the green one. I need
yes, like his daddy.
Oh, you got your phone. You got your phone to play with there, huh? Mama's phone, I mean. That's Mama's phone.
What are you looking for?
I'm gonna take you, and I'm gonna squish you, and kiss you, and squeeze you, and love you. You smell like slobber. Gibson slobber.
I'm going to get you for love abuse.
Watch, kisses.
Oh, slobber, you big hunk of
Give me
slobber.
kisses when I go.
Kisses again. I did the kissy thing. Kiss it all back here, and then you give me kisses. Kisses.
Aww, giblets. Giblets. What are you doing? Is Mommy kissing you? Mama kissing you. Oh, she is kissing you.
You're slobbery. I gotta figure out Mama's
So,
phone.
Allie, what's going on?
I'm putting the birds in their homes.
Are you?
Oh, they're all in their little bird nest.
They're home. And then their tree houses where they go to
look
play,
at this
right?
one. Huh.
What does it look like? Oh, it's a pinky purple cuckoo bird. Pinky purple.
Oh, you're eating Mommy's phone now. Not a good idea, 'cause then
Slobber's gonna break it.
Isn't that fun?
All this
Do you like it?
time.
yeah.
I texted Katie.
Pretty cool, huh?
Told her we were
Let's go into the home of the
She said,
cuckoo
"Are you gonna be here
birds.
Sunday?"
This is their land home.
They said our nephews
Right?
were just born, so we could probably just
See, let's turn it in the light so we can see the inside. There it is.
Yeah,
There,
just like
yes,
every
it's a
time.
very
But
nice
not-
home. What's in
not
those
be
little
the
doors
same.
right
It
there?
doesn't have to be lined with everybody.
What's in here?
So we'll see people.
Check something out in the car.
Look at that. Are you liking it?
Look at these little polka dotty feet. Little stripes and polka dots on your feet. Give them something.
Pretty cool.
Phone again.
I like their little goggles and pilot hats. Like little Amelia Earharts.
Yeah, that's what they look like. Oh, there's an upside down bird. Did that birdie die?
Get the chicken. You gonna go get the real chicken, Birdie? Look at these stickers.
You're gonna get that real cuckoo bird over there on the floor? What's that cuckoo bird over there doing?
Oh, there's Band-Aids, Allie. That one that fell, he needs a Band-Aid.
Yep.
We'll make it all better, Mr. Cuckoo Bird. Put your little Band-Aid right on you.
This little buddy wants to go around and get stuff. What stuff you gonna get? Oh, he's gonna get that nest. You gonna get that cuckoo bird nest? No.